I'm a little sunshine when the sun shines on the wrong day, and I believe my bed is a constant bearer.
Papa, happy birthday. May I have more birthdays to come. Sana lumaki kang malusog, matalino, at mabait na bata.
Alright, this is Jolly Morning to each and everyone. And welcome to the second birthday of Rafa here at Greenleaf Academy. Hi, I'm your party host, I'm Ate Hazel, together with my co-buddy, si Kuya June at si Kuya Alan na mag-a-assist para sa inyong lahat.
Happy birthday. I hope you grow up to be a sweet person and a very charming one, just like you are right now. I wish to see you soon, hoping everything but the best for your life. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy birthday, Rafa.
Si Rafa ay lalo pang lumaking bata, matalino, at masipag mag-aral. Alright, palakpakan daw po natin. Alright, best friend Jock, your second wish, si Rafa ay lalo pang lumaking bata, guwapo, macho, syempre katulad nino, ni best friend yan!
Happy birthday, Rafa, from the Greenleaf Academy.
Happy birthday, Rafa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rafa. Isa pa pong mas malakas at mas masayang happy birthday. It's your birthday. At dahil 2 years old na po si Rafa, bigyan po natin siya ng 2 bagsak na palakpak and shout happy birthday, Rafa, in 3, 2, 1 and clap. 1, 2 and shout. Alright, Rafa, you can blow your candles. Alright, palakpakan daw po natin. Yay!
Si Rafa ay mabait na bata, makulit kung minsan, at pero maano siyang gumalaw. Tapos malapit lahat sa mga tao.
Jolly kids, let's count how many wishes Jolly Beans has. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Bakit apat lang ang daliri mo? Nasaan yung isa? Ayun daw po naging antena.
Out there and waiting. Don't matter what I gotta do, I ain't found anything better than you. Don't matter what I gotta lose, I ain't gonna find nothing better than you. I've never felt like this before. I knew I'd love you, but this is something more. I've never felt like this before. I knew I'd love you, but this is something more.
Sana paglaki mo, magiging isa kang talinong bata at sana makaano ka ng magandang kapalaran mo. Happy birthday, Rapa! I love you!
Si Rafa ay lalo pang lumaking batang always be happy, syempre katulad ni best friend Jong and best friend Jollibee at natin pong lahat. Palakpakan